there. Today I'm going to start a mural. This is my reference photo. This is the inside of the door at the makeup studio. Instead of black and red, I'm going to do some purples and silver and golds, just so it's not so contrasty, because the colors in here are pretty light. So I'm going to just have it outlined in pencil, and I'm going to paint it in and do blocks of color, and then I'll be glittering those. Okay, so I have my purple acrylic paint mixed up, and I'll just start there. Today is put on a thick layer with large brushes and foam brushes, a thick layer of this purple paint, and use the glitter gun and Visions of Lilac glitter to glitter the parts that are purple. Okay, I'm working on the face now. I'm painting the face, and I have a flesh tone mixed up, sort of similar to the reference photo, but a little bit lighter. So I'm going to be working on I'll be just painting in the face. Okay, so I'm wanting to fix this harder line in between these two colors. So I'm going to use my glazing medium. It's a gloss medium from Liquitex. And I'm going to add a combination of the two glitters. This is Visions of Lilac and the Mantrap Pink. And I'm just going to scumble in between these two. So filberts and that's a pretty thick mix. Let's see it. But I just want to sort of make this more of a gentle transition. And it's like the holographic is so bright and big. I want to carry it up through into the other parts of the mural. And that's working pretty well. It definitely is a little bit more muted with this medium. It's not quite as bright as it is just raw. But when we're done with this mural, it's going to get a coat of glaze anyway, so that'll knock it all down. As you can see, I've done more shading on the face. I've also started shading a few areas. I've also started doing a fine line around the edge of the face and a little bit of scumble work in the area where the face meets the purple. So I'm going to just do a little demo on how I've been doing that. So I've started with 3 colors, black, blue, and red, and the glazing medium right here. And I just mixed up a purple, and then I drag a dark color along the top to bring in more definition, and then grab a little bit more of the gloss medium and just start rubbing it in toward the glitter.